My garden is a white garden. Some people call it a green and white garden, and I absolutely love it. I've had it for 20 years this way, but it's not for everyone. And so today I thought I would take you through the pros and cons so that if you're thinking about making a white garden in your own small backyard, you'll have a little more information before you make that final decision. So let's start with the good news first. The number one reason that people fall in love with white gardens is because they are so calm and peaceful. When everything is the same color, it just has that effect on you. Number two, a white garden feels classic and timeless. I mean, it never goes out of style. If you looked at a garden from 20 years ago, 30 years ago, they basically look the same as the white gardens of today. So a white garden never looks old-fashioned and out of touch. Number three, and has been a big plus for me, it simplifies decision-making. It simplifies shopping. I mean, when I go to the nursery, I know exactly what I'm there for. I only buy white. Number four, your garden will be very cohesive. Nothing you add will be out of place, ever. It just, no matter whether you're bright white, creamy white, variegated green and white, everything that you add to a white garden will blend beautifully. Number five, it connects your garden beds one to another. Just like I talked about in the color echoing video, when you have similar color palettes, or in the case of a white garden, all one color palette, it allows the different elements in your garden to all speak the same language. They look connected and cohesive. Number six, no mistakes. It's really hard to buy the wrong thing when you have a white garden. Nothing ever clashes, and I've never regretted anything that I added. I've never taken anything back to the nursery because I felt that it wasn't a good fit. Number seven, it has the effect of adding light to dark corners, especially in the evening. Number eight, it can brighten dark areas underneath other shrubs. Number nine, without different colors, you are able to see foliage and structure more. Those elements are highlighted because the white allows the other elements to pop out. Number 10, anything white is dramatic against a wood fence or a painted wall or a dark background. And now for the drawbacks, and there are 10. Number one, having an all-white garden severely limits your choices. To me, that is a plus. It simplifies things, but it is a huge drawback and something that keeps other people from even considering a white garden. Number two, it can become boring, or it has the potential danger of becoming boring. Number three, it can limit your ability to try new things because not everything comes in white. Number four, some people feel that it lacks depth because when they're designing their garden beds, they love a combination of dark, medium, light. And let's face it, when you have a white garden, everything is white, so it has the potential to lack depth. Number five, some people feel that a white garden looks too sparse because there isn't the variety of color. Number six, white flowers show brown more easily. That is true. Whether you're talking roses, camellias, azaleas, white spots really stand out. Number seven, they also show insect damage more easily. Number eight, they can't take the heat the way some of the deeper colors can. So a lot of the white flowers really do better in part shade. Number 10, some people feel that a white garden looks emotionally sterile. To me, I think it looks so elegant. But again, everybody is different. So that is something you would want to think deeply about before you make the full commitment. So all in all, now that I've had my white garden for more than 20 years, I wouldn't change a thing. So let's bring it back to you. If you are over 60, working in a small backyard, a white garden could be a viable option for you. So I hope that after you've listened to these 10 pros and cons, you know which camp you're in. Please leave me a comment. Are you team all white, mostly white, or team I need color? So from my garden to yours, thank you so much for being here. I really appreciate it, and I'll see you next time.